Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add the screen recording, quick button to your notification settings quick toggles, and also where to find it. So this has been a new feature that's been added to Android 11. I'm running Android 11 beta version 3. So all you need to do is you know where to click on um, how to add new toggles to it, right? You go to the edit button and then you will see what is not already added on the bottom block right here, and then you just need to drag and drop it, right? This is just an example I'm showing because the screen record is right here and it has already been added to my screen. That's the reason I'm able to record it right now. So this is where my screen record quick toggle comes in, right? And once you click the screen record quick toggle here, it'll ask you what microphone it has to use as a default, and then should the screen touches be showing or not, like this, um, like with a finger marking circle, right? So all you need to do is click on that and then click start. It'll give 3 seconds, and then there is a tone that sounded like at the beginning of this video. So you look for that sound and then start speaking. So that's it. That's how you record your video on latest Android 11 beta 3.